how to optimize your school classroom. Currently, we're making 25K a month, and I've helped other communities that are making 250K a month, blah, blah, blah. And I feel like most people in school kind of don't know how to actually make their classroom good. And they're kind of lost on it. First of all, just put something out there and see what people think. Second of all, it doesn't have to be you just kind of like putting stuff in there, just like doing loads of maker work where you just got them sit down for 15 hours and just cook, right? You can build it with the community, number one. Two, the main thing, since this is about optimizing it, I would upload the videos onto School because after 90% completion, when someone watches it, it gets auto ticked. And then this way, you can actually optimize because you can use this tool, free tool. Just go to search up School add-ons and then go to extract course progress. And this will basically give you a CSV file that you can run by any chatbot. And you can see, okay, what's the average completion rate? And this is especially useful if you have a lot of traffic coming in. Because, for example, with the first module, you can kind of check and be like, okay, so how many people are actually getting to this? And you can optimize the things before then, and you can optimize this video, and you can be like, okay, how many people are getting to this? And then there'll be a video here, obviously, but it's really useful. Do it.